Alright guys, let's change the light bulb of this Kitchenaid oven that needs a good cleanup in under a minute. Alright, see the screw there? You don't touch the screw. You put your tool behind those metal clips. You can use a flathead screwdriver and then you pop it out. It just pops out. Take a piece of paper, piece of tissue and start jiggling the light bulb up and down, left and right. It's gonna pop right out. It's not hard to pull. I'm gonna show you how it looks. I have the actual bulbs in the description. There is a link. You can find them on Amazon. Then use another piece of paper so you can push the new one in. Goes in easy. And now I have a product that is great. I have also this in the description. That is a degreaser. It's a great degreaser that I also use on the range hood. And we're ready to put it back in. Now you're gonna see the clip. Here is the clip. You put it on the left side first and then you start pushing. And it goes straight in. There you go. All right, all this in 1 minute. Please leave a like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description. Thanks, guys.